You're just a target.
And we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Hello again, everybody. I'm Scott.
And I'm Melissa.
Welcome back to RV Rolling with MJ. There's a lot to do in Duluth. We scooted around, so we were able to cover a lot of stuff. We saw the highlight, which is the aerial bridge.
We lucked out because there was only one for the whole week, a big huge boat like 1,000 feet long, and we got to see it go through, and it beeped its horn.
Yeah.
It was very cool.
Most unusual bridge I've seen. I thought, what's the difference, a bridge? But there's a bridge that goes up and down. You'll see it on the video. Pretty incredible. We saw some shopping areas. We saw some parks. A lighthouse. Just a really nice downtown. Looked nice. We didn't really spend a whole lot of time, but really the shorefront is the most important part of
We also saw the lighthouses. So they rode all over the place. So much fun. If you have bikes or scooters, definitely great to do that. Yep. We are in Duluth, Minnesota. This is actually the Bayfront Park, but it looks like they're having some kind of event, so we're not going to be able to check it out. But we're going to start our ride around the lake. This is called the Lakewalk. And you can bike, walk, and we're taking our scooters.
People trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted. The money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? The pity fees flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams. Someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear. My dear. Like an empire, building towers and breaking heights. You wanted to be her. Well, guess what? You're what you never had. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, you learn how to breathe, and now the weather's clear, my dear. Standing face to face.
So we're gonna go and watch this big ship.
Point to it.
Parker. It's coming at 11:01. It just changed.
Like it's zero and it ain't here to stop. Now you're face to face with the mirror. Like it's zero, no one's gonna slow you down. Don't need a mask or a hero. Like it's zero, but in a real world. And everybody's losing their time for something they can target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? They paid your fees, flew overseas. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, forgot how to breathe. Now the weather's clear, my dear. Staring in your faces, dance with the mirror. Like a zero, no one's got a picking it. Don't need a mask or a hero. Like a zero, but this ain't where it's
We're eating at Sir Benedict's, which actually we have a view. We're sitting outside a little view of Lake Superior, and it's a really cute restaurant. And the soup, oh my god, we got the French onion soup, and it's like delicious. Then we also got a hummus platter.
English.
It's an English cup. English. So good.
building towers